Hello guys, welcome to Krakow video series. This is a big update on the CAT 2022 response sheet. As you might have already known, the CAT 2022 response sheet has been released today at 11 am on the official CAT website. So firstly, you can visit the official CAT website to download the PDF of your response sheet. And as shown here, you can log in with your details. So you can click here to log in and you can enter your credentials, that is your user ID and your password, and then please enter the captcha to log in, and then you can download your response sheet. Also, please note that the candidate response sheet tab and also the objection form tab for the CAT 2022 will be active from 11 am on 1st December, that is today, till 5 pm on 4th December. So the candidates will be able to see the response sheet as well as their individual responses to questions during this duration only. So you can also calculate your CAT scores by using our CAT score calculator. So the link to our CAT score calculator is provided in the description box below. Please do check it out, and once you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page. So all you have to do to check your scores is visit this link that's provided below. And we have already released the CAT score calculator, and a lot of students have started uploading their results. We're also looking at the data closely so that we can update our percentile predictor. So our percentile predictor will be updated every 1 to 2 hours. So we'll be updating it very frequently based on the responses that we are getting. So visit the official website, log in with your details, and once you log in, you'll be able to see the tab. So you'll be able to see 4 tabs. So go to the candidate response sheet tab and click on the click here to generate button. So once you click on the click here to generate button, you'll be getting a link. So all you have to do is just copy that link and paste it over here in this field, which is right here. So once you pasted the URL here, click on submit button and you will be getting your CAT score. So apart from this, we'll also be coming up with a more detailed analysis of the CAT 2022 expected scores versus percentiles based on the responses we get from the students who have uploaded their response sheets, and we'll be uploading that video also very soon. So thank you so much guys, and all the best.